Can you, in Malay, learn
Bolehkah Anda?
English-Malay? Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. Let's kick off with a super useful phrase you'll use everywhere. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more smart language goodies. Today's star.
Bolehkah Anda?
English, can you? ? Quote. Imagine a tiny doorbell ding before you speak, then your polite request rolls out like butter. Your goal today. You'll master one polite opener and plug in the action you need, easy and friendly. By the end, you'll say,
Bolehkah Anda?
Smoothly at a counter, on the phone, or in the street. You'll also meet variants.
Dapatkah Anda? Sudikah Anda?
And the self version.
Bolehkah saya?
Key action words.
Semak.
Check.
Tunjuk.
Show.
Hubungi semula.
Call back, plus the magic, please.
Tolong.
Funny counter dialogue. Let's eavesdrop on you at a counter, confident, polite, and maybe slightly caffeinated. You, excuse me.
Bolehkah Anda semak ini?
Clerk, sure. Another polite option is
Dapatkah Anda?
also very courteous. You, great. Later on the phone.
Bolehkah Anda hubungi saya semula?
Clerk, if I'm busy, I might say.
Maaf saya tidak boleh.
But you stayed polite, gold star. You, in the mall, map in hand.
Bolehkah Anda tunjuk jalan?
Narrator, add a soft doorbell, ding, then say.
Bolehkah Anda?
Doors magically open. Forms and mnemonics. Tiny grammar snack time, no plate, just bites. Remember.
Boleh.
Equals can.
Anda?
Equals you, add, ka, for the polite question.
Bolehkah Anda?
Alternatives. Formal.
Dapatkah Anda?
Warm, considerate.
Sudikah Anda?
About yourself.
Bolehkah saya?
Add the magic please.
Tolong.
Example.
Bolehkah Anda tolong semak tempahan saya?
Vocabulary hits.
Semak.
Equals check.
Tunjuk.
Equals show.
Hubungi semula.
Equals call back. Call and repeat drills. Your turn, say it out loud. I'll leave beats for you to echo. Can you check this?
Bolehkah Anda semak ini?
Can you show me the way?
Bolehkah Anda tunjuk jalan?
Can you call me back?
Bolehkah Anda hubungi saya semula?
Could you, please?
Dapatkah Anda tolong?
Would you kindly check?
Sudikah Anda semak?
May I check this?
Bolehkah saya semak ini?
Quick quiz. Fast round. Answer out loud and trust your gut. Q1. What is the Malay for, can you? Say it now. A.
Bolehkah Anda?
Q2. Casual versus formal. Casual.
Boleh tak?
Formal.
Bolehkah Anda?
Q3. Translate. Can you check my booking?
Bolehkah Anda semak tempahan saya?
Culture tip. Capitium courtesy. Be the politeness hero at a busy capitium. Start with.
Bolehkah Anda?
Keep your tone warm, and add.
Tolong.
When appropriate, your respectful phrasing unlocks smiles, because
Bolehkah Anda?
is the polite key that opens doors. If someone can't, they may say,
Maaf saya tidak boleh.
No worries, you asked right. Challenge time. You've got this. Now improvise 3 polite requests. Create one request to a clerk using
Bolehkah Anda
plus.
semak?
Ask a passerby to show the way using
Tunjuk.
on the phone, request a callback with
Hubungi semula.
try an alternative form once,
Sudikah Anda?
or
Dapatkah Anda?
flip it for yourself. Start with
Bolehkah saya?
sprinkle extra politeness with
Tolong.
outro. High five, nice work today. Thanks for listening and keep practicing your new superpower.
Bolehkah Anda?
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English-Malay lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.